In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to notify someone when you add comments to a task in Todoist. This is really useful when you're collaborating with other people and you want to make sure they actually see your updates, instead of your comments just sitting there, unnoticed. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open Todoist and navigate to the project that contains the task you want to comment on. This could be any project in your account, whether it's for work, school, or personal planning. Once you're inside the project, scan through the list and click on the specific task you want to work with. When you click on it, a task details panel will open, usually on the right side of your screen or in a dedicated window, depending on your device. Inside this task view, look for the comment icon. It typically looks like a small speech bubble. Click on that comment button to open the comment section for this task. This is where all existing comments will appear and where you can type a new one. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct task, because the notification will only go to people connected to this particular task or project. Now, in the comment box, start typing your message. This could be an update, a question, a reminder, or any information you want to share with your collaborators. Before you post it, look for the option to notify someone. In many interfaces, this appears as a small label, a bell icon, or a link near the comment field that might say something like notify or notify people. Click on this notify option to bring up a list of people you can alert. You'll usually see the names or email addresses of teammates who have access to this project or task. Select the person or people you want to notify about your comment. After you've chosen them, double check your message for clarity, then go ahead and submit the comment. Todoist will now send a notification to the people you selected, so they're actively alerted about what you wrote. That's all you need to do to make sure your comments don't get missed and your collaboration stays on track.